Spicy, aromatic, and full of goodness, ginger is more than just a kitchen staple. It starts with farmers planting ginger rhizomes in rich soil. Over months, these roots grow strong, absorbing nutrients from the earth. Once matured, they are harvested, washed, and dried for use. Ginger brings warmth to your food and health to your body. From soothing teas to zesty stir fries, this spice is a natural remedy for cold, digestion, and immunity. So whether you are sipping on ginger tea or adding it to your meals, know that this humble root is nature's way of keeping you healthy.